If you've ever saved a bunch of bookmarks in Google Chrome and now want to clear them out all at once, this video is going to make that super easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all bookmarks in Google Chrome quickly, using the built-in Bookmark Manager. This is perfect if your Bookmarks bar is cluttered, you want a fresh start, or you just want to clean up old saved pages you no longer need. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and computer tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu, and it contains a lot of useful browser tools and settings. From that menu, hover over or click Bookmarks and Lists. Then choose Bookmark Manager. This will open a separate page where all of your saved bookmarks are organized. On the left side of the Bookmark Manager, you'll see different folders, such as Bookmarks Bar and Other Bookmarks. Click the folder that contains the bookmarks you want to remove. If you want to delete the bookmarks that appear on your Bookmarks Bar, choose Bookmarks Bar. If your saved items are stored elsewhere, select Other Bookmarks instead. Now move to the right pane where the bookmarks inside that folder are listed. Click on any bookmark in that list so the window is active. Then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all bookmarks in that folder at once. You should now see every bookmark highlighted, which means they're ready to be removed. At the top of the page, click the Delete button. Chrome will immediately remove all of the selected bookmarks from that folder. If you selected the right folder, they'll be gone in just a moment. If you also want to clear bookmarks from another folder, simply repeat the same steps for that folder as well. That's why this method is so useful. It gives you full control over exactly which bookmarks you delete, without needing to remove them one by one. And just a quick tip, if you're doing a full cleanup, double-check both Bookmarks Bar and Other Bookmarks so you don't leave anything behind by accident. This can save you time and help keep Chrome neat and organized. So to recap, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Bookmark Manager, choose the folder you want, press Ctrl plus A, and then click Delete. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Chrome guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.